Vision Science. Vision Science manufactures contact lenses, which are medical devices, and exports 100% of its production. We are especially focused on maximizing the aesthetic effect on eyes and vision correcting effect with the color contact lenses. The color contact lenses are comfortable and clear. They maintain consistency in the color pattern and have gained much recognition from customers. Contact lenses are intimately related to the eye's health, for which at Vision Science we value our production process and product quality as our maximum priority. Our products are certified with KGNP from the Korea Food and Drug Administration, the European CE certification, as well as the ISO 13485 certification, along with certifications of over 30 countries in Asia, the Middle East, and Europe, where these products are exported to. The abundant experience in these global markets and the strict quality assurance allows us to manufacture high-quality contact lenses. We will exert our utmost efforts to guard your eyes, keeping them always bright and healthy.